What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's just Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you guys are having a blessed, growing day. Look, you guys, money just growing. Money just growing out of the garden. Money is just growing out of my pot. You see that? The money just growing. Quarters, nickels, pennies, and dimes. Just kidding, you guys. Just wanted to give you a quick tip for some people don't have a measuring tool or don't have a ruler or don't have anything to measure when it comes to planting your seeds and stuff. You know, you guys, we love to try to be accurate and we can't be all the time, but I can show you a quick tip to show you how to be a little accurate. Okay, so what I've learned is a quarter is 1 inch. If you want to plant stuff 1 inch deep, put your quarter. Look, you see this? Just put your quarter down in the soil and press it. Press the quarter all the way down. Do you see that, you guys? Press it like that. That's 1 inch. That's 1 inch. Okay? Then you take your nickel. If you want to go 1/4 inch, that math stuff, everybody don't like that. 1/4 inch. Use your nickel. Just take a nickel, and just put that down in there. Let's see how that works. Okay? Put the nickel. And then, if they want to go into the third, you got to put a penny. Okay? So use a penny. When they say plant your seeds 1/3 inch deep, just take your penny and push it down 1/3 inch deep. And you can twist it and make a hole for your seed. Okay? Like you can do the nickel. Take the nickel. If you were making a hole for 1/4, just take your nickel. 1/2. Take your nickel and twist and make a hole. See how I made that hole? I don't know if you can see it. Or if it was, they want you to plant 1 inch deep. Take your quarter, put it in the soil, push down, and twist. And come up. And they made a hole. Let me try that again. I don't know if you can see it. Just find your free space of soil, you guys. Push down, twist, and lift up. And there's a little hole for a seed right there. And it's the same amount as if you're putting your finger in there. And then, when they want you to go even smaller, you guys, use a dime. Take a dime. Put down in your soil. We're going to smooth our soil back out because we didn't put any seeds in here, you guys. I'm just showing you how to do some measurements real quick. Take your dime. Okay. Put it in the soil. Just press. I hope you guys can see this. Press and twist with a dime. And that gives you that length. So you use your dime, your quarter, your penny, and your nickel. This is how to grow. Okay, you guys, it's just Skinny Boy Randy. I also have the camera on the right direction. But yeah, try it out. Use your coins. Quarter, dime, nickel, and penny. And they should give you your planting depths. Okay? They should. I love you guys. You're the best. It's just Skinny Boy Randy. I hope you're having a blessed, growing day. This is just a video on plant depth. Remember, take a quarter. If you want 1 inch, push it in the ground. You saw that? Twist it and take it out the ground. And look what you got. The hole right there. See? Take your penny, put it in the ground. Twist. 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 There you go. You got that. Nickel the same way. Take a nickel. Twist up. And a dime. If they don't want you to put it like carrots and stuff, just take a little bit. Push, twist, and take it out. And it's a little hole there, you guys. So yeah, it's the Skinny Boy Randy. I know. You're like this. He took a quarter, penny, dime, and a nickel and made a video. Yes, I love you guys. I'm trying to make a video for you guys as much as I can. Okay? And look, just check out. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of some stuff I have growing on the green light. I won't gonna show this to nobody because I have a story to tell y'all. I love you guys. Peace out. SkinnyBoyRandy. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. Yes!